Hi everyone, welcome to Competitive GAN.
It is the part 16 of
Indian polity MCQ series, and in this part we will cover 50 important MCQ questions and answers. Let's start the session.
question number 1. Which of the following case comes under the jurisdiction of High Court and Supreme Court? Answer: enforcement of fundamental rights. Next, who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India? Answer: Supreme Court has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India. Next, the Supreme Court of India is a court of record. It implies that Answer: all its decisions have evidentiary value and cannot be questioned in any court. Next, which of the following is correct about the Supreme Court regarding its judgment? Answer: it can change the judgment. Next, where can the public interest litigation be filed? Answer: both in High Courts and Supreme Court. Next, the concept of public interest litigation originated in Answer: in the United States. Next, who is the constitutional head of the state government? Answer: Governor is the constitutional head of the state government. Next, who among the following administer the oath of office to the governor? Answer: Chief Justice of High Court. Next, the governor's salary and allowances are given by Answer: the Consolidated Fund of State. Next, to whom governor of a state is responsible? Answer: is responsible to the president. Next, who remains in office as long as the President of India wishes? Answer: Governor. Next, the Constitution of India does not contain any provisions for the impeachment of whom? Answer: for the impeachment of the governor of a state. Next, who among the following is not appointed by the state governor? Answer: the judge of a high court is not appointed by the state governor, he is appointed by the president. Next, which is the upper chamber of the state legislature in India? Answer: Legislative Council or Vidhan Parishad is the upper chamber of a state legislature in India. Next, which one of the following is the period for Legislative Council to detain the ordinary bills? Answer: 4 months. Next, according to which article of the Constitution of India, the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor of a state? Answer: according to Article 164. Next, in which assembly of states money bill is proposed? Answer: only in Legislative Assembly. Next, no money bill can be introduced in assembly of a state except the recommendation of Answer: the governor of the state. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution provides the provision of Vidhan Parishad in the state? Answer: Article 171. Next, what is the right method to establish or cancel the second chamber in states? Answer. Proposal in Legislative Assembly with full majority along with law passed by the Parliament is the right method to establish or cancel the second chamber. Next, which one of the following legislative house can be abolished? Answer. Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council can be abolished. Next, in any state of India, Legislative Council can be created or can be abolished by. Answer. The Parliament as per resolution passed by the Legislative Assembly of the states. Next, how many members are nominated in the Legislative Council of Uttar Pradesh by the state governor? Answer. 1/6 of the total members. Next, which one of the following cannot be dissolved but can be abolished? Answer. State legislative councils. Next, which one of the following states does not have bicameral legislature? Answer. Tamil Nadu does not have bicameral legislature. Next, in which of the following states legislative council does not exist? Answer. In Rajasthan. Next, what can be the maximum number of members in the Legislative Assembly of a state in India? Answer. 500. Next, which state among the following has the maximum number of members in Legislative Assembly? Answer. Uttar Pradesh. Next, what is the minimum age limit prescribed for the membership of Legislative Assembly? Answer. 25 years. Next, if the Speaker of Legislative Assembly of a state wants to resign, he will give his resignation to. Answer. Deputy Speaker. Next, how long can a minister continue without being elected to the State Assembly? Answer. 6 months. Next, pay and allowances of the ministers of a state government is determined by. Answer. Is determined by the State Legislative Assembly. Next, who prorogues the Vidhan Sabha of a state? Answer. Governor of the state prorogues the Vidhan Sabha of a state. Next, which is the only state in India to have the common civil code? Answer. Goa is the only state in India to have the common civil code. Next, how many reorganized states had bicameral legislature in 1956? Answer. 5. Next, the Contingency Fund of the state is operated by. Answer. By the state legislature. Next, which article of the Constitution defines the duties of the Chief Minister? Answer. Article 167 defines the duties of the Chief Minister. Next, the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state was. Answer. Sucheta Kripalani was the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state. Next, the pension of a retired High Court judge is charged to the. Answer. To the Consolidated Fund of India. Next, the salaries and allowances of the judges of High Court are charged to the. Answer. Are charged to the Consolidated Fund of the state. Next, the power of High Court to issue writ covers. Answer. The power of High Court to issue writs covers fundamental rights. Next, which High Court stated that the divorce by saying Talaq 3 times is illegal? Answer: Allahabad High Court. Next, which one of the following high courts has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer: Kolkata High Court. Next, which one of the following Indian states does not have its own high court? Answer: Mizoram. Next, which of the following high courts has the largest number of benches? Answer: Bombay High Court has the largest number of benches. Next, when the Supreme Court issued a writ to a person or to an institution to perform its duty, it is called. Answer: It is called mandamus. Next, which among the following is issued when the procedure is pending in court? Answer: Prohibition is issued when the procedure is pending in the court. Next, which one of the following writ examines the functioning of subordinate courts? Answer: The writ certiorari examines the functioning of subordinate courts. Next, the term district judge is mentioned in which of the following article of the Constitution? Answer: Is mentioned in the Article 233. Question number 50. A High Court judge addresses his letter of resignation to. Answer: To the President. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.